Before you love me, before you judge me, before you say my name like you own me, just know me, know me. Hear the cracks inside my heartbeat slowly. I'm whiskey nights and red lip fights, a little lost but still alive. If you hold me, don't control me, just know me. Got a past I'll never show, scars beneath this heart of gold. People see what they wanna see, but they don't really know me. Every wild soul got secrets, every strong girl got pain. You can stand in my storm or just walk away. Before you love me, before you judge me, before you say my name like you own me, just know me, know me. Hear the cracks inside my heart beat slowly. I'm whiskey nights and red lip fights, a little lost but still alive. If you hold me, don't control me, just know me. Maybe I'm too hard to read, maybe broken's part of me, but if you wanna walk this line, love me for what's inside. Maybe I'm fire, maybe I'm rain, maybe I hide what I can't say, but if you stay long enough, you'll see my soul ain't giving up. Before you leave me, before you need me, before the whole damn world believes me, just know me, know me. This is more than just a girl singing. These burned out roads, these midnight shows made a heart nobody owns. If you love me, then see the real me, just know me.